If you are making a quiz inside of Microsoft Forms, then what you can do is you can easily add in math equations onto the questions or the options for the questions as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on Add New, and I'm going to go around and say choice right here. So over here, what I'm going to go around and say is which of the following is a math equation. So let me just go around and type in this right here. So I'm just going to go around and say which one of the following is a math equation, and then I'm going to go around and enable math right here. So I can go around and enter out an equation over here, as you can see. So as I click over here, you can see that equation is an option over here. You can simply go around and type in, let's say, for example, something like x right here, and then you can go around over here and add in, let's say, for example, like greater than or less than right here. Then you can add in a y right here, equals not equals to right here 56, and you can see that this is like a math equation right here, just like this, and this is what you have. You can go around onto the option, and even on the option you can see that you can go around and add in equations right here. For example, you can go around and say a, for example, and this can be a square, and then you can type in plus on your keyboard as well, and then type in b square right here, just like this. So this is what you have right here. So you can go around and add in equations, as you can see, just like this. If I were to go around onto the preview section right here, then you can see the math equation just like this. You can go around and click right here and choose it out. But this is only limited to quizzes as of now. So in regular Microsoft Forms, you cannot actually go around and choose equations, but in quiz, you can do this. So this is what you have. So that is what you have, and math is turned on. If you were to turn this off, now you can see that it gets converted into regular text right here. So even if you were to go around and type this and click on maths right here, it gets converted into equations just like that. And that is how you can go around and add in math equations in quiz inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.